Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to reset your Sony Bravia Smart TV to factory mode. Okay, first of all you need to press the home button here, and then you will see the setting here. Go down to the setting and press the right button. Then you need to select the customer support. And now you go down the bottom to find this factory setting. Then just press select on it, and it will ask you to confirm do you want to restore to factory setting. If you want to restore all your setting to the factory setting, just press the left button and select yes. And it will ask you one more question. You just press select it once more time. So please make sure that when you reset to the factory setting, so all your setting and everything will be reset to default of the TV. So now I press yes. And now your TV is starting to reset all the settings. Okay, now it's all done. We just need to reset up all the settings again, so we go together. So I select English and then set up internet connection, agree, easy, and now it's finding your home network. Scan. Okay, now it found my home network. You just press select any of your home Wi-Fi network and then press select or show password. So I tick show password, and then we need to select the WPA key. Okay, now we need to input the password. So you can see here is the color like it show on the remote control. So the red means the capital letter or small letter, green is backspace, yellow is change the language, and the blue one is always capital letter. Okay, now I start with one capital letter, so I press red bottom and you can see all the text is become capital letter, and then I start to select one word, and then I press A again. I press red bottom again, and then it will show the small letter. Okay, after you complete all your password, just press here to select the enter and then select. And now you press the right button to go on to the next step. And your TV is now trying to connect your network. Okay, it's now connect successfully, and you just press OK and select your region, your country, Thailand, and press down agree, and auto update, keep update on, and press the right, and we select home, press the right button once more, and then you want to auto tuning to search for local channels again. So I want to start it once more because all the tuning now is disappear. So just press start it and wait for the TV to find the channel. Okay, after it found all your channel, now you can adjust, arrange or label all your channel. So if you want to do more arrange to your channel, you can check out on the card here. So I will put the link here on the top of the screen, and also I will put in the description so you can check it out. So now you just press the return button on your remote control, and then now it's time to set your dates and time. So today is the 3 and July 2021, and for the time you can set it to your time zone. So you need to press select once time and then press down, and you can change your time zone. Now it's 2:48 p.m. and then press select one more and press down, press OK. Okay, now your TV is now already reset to the factory, and all the channel is restored by the auto search. And that's all for today's video of how you can reset your Sony Smart TV to the factory setting. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.